Has this ever happened to you? You try to do one thing, but your brain is thinking about a million other things at the same time. That embarrassing thing from 10 years ago, your grocery list, your boss's weird email, a cat playing the piano. It's like your brain has 1,000 tabs open and they're all playing videos at full volume. This is insane, and it's not just you. But what if I told you there's a mental Control-Alt-Delete? In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate toolkit to shut down the lag and make your brain run faster than ever before. When your PC has too many tabs open, it gets laggy and dies, right? If this is you, I want you to comment right now on a scale of 1 to 100, how many tabs are open in your brain? Let's see who has the most. Drop it in the comments, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, because what I'm about to show you could change your life. All right, it's reboot time. I'm not going to tell you to just stop thinking. That's impossible. We're going to use 5 insane mental hacks to tell your brain it can finally chill out. Hack 1, the brain dump. Your external hard drive. Your brain is for having ideas, not for holding them. So get them out of your head. This is the most powerful trick. Grab paper, open a note, and for 10 minutes, write down everything. Every worry, every to-do, every crazy idea. Do not organize it. Just dump it. This tells your brain it's been saved. You can relax. This hack alone will give you instant relief. It's a game changer. Hack 2, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding hack. Minimize all windows. When you're lost in your head, you have to get back to the real world. Fast. The 5-4-3-2-1 hack is the fastest way to do it. Wherever you are, just pause and name. 5 things you can see, 4 things you can physically feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This simple hack forces your brain out of the chaos and back into the present moment. It proves you are in control of your focus. Hack 3, schedule worry time. Worries are like annoying pop-up ads. You close one, another one appears. So instead of fighting them all day, give them an appointment. Schedule 15 to 20 minutes every day for worrying. If a worry pops up, you just tell it, I'll deal with you at 4:30 p.m. You're not ignoring it, you're just postponing it. You won't believe how many of these worries just disappear by the time your appointment comes. Hack 4, thought diffusion. Expose the fake news. We treat our thoughts like they are 100% true. They're not. This hack creates distance. So instead of thinking, I'm a failure, you say, I'm having the thought that I'm a failure. See the difference? You are not the thought. You're the one who notices the thought. You want to take it to the next level? Say the negative thought in a silly cartoon voice. It is impossible to take "you'll never succeed" seriously when it sounds like a cartoon character. This helps you see if a thought is real before you let it crash your system. And finally, the ultimate hack, silence. You don't clear muddy water by stirring it. You let it settle. Meditation is just creating the space for your brain to calm down on its own. Start with just 5 minutes. Sit down and just focus on your breath. When a thought comes, and it will, don't get mad, just notice it and go back to your breath. Every single time you do this, you are building a superpower. You are training your brain to let thoughts come and go without getting wrecked by them. This is how you find the calm, clear mind. Hiding under all that noise, your brain isn't broken. It's just overloaded. Having a million tabs open is not your fault, but you have the power to fix it. You don't need to think harder, you need to think smarter. Use the brain dump. Use the 5-4-3-2-1 hack. Use scheduled worry time, thought diffusion, and silence. The goal isn't an empty mind. That's impossible. The goal is to become the boss of your own brain. Remember, you are not the web browser. You are the person holding the mouse. You decide what to click on. You decide what to focus on. And you decide which tabs get closed. So I'm challenging you, pick one, just one of these hacks the next time you feel completely overwhelmed. Don't just give up. Hit Control, Alt, Delete. Which hack from this video are you going to try first? I want to see it in the comments right now. Your comment could be the one that inspires someone else to change their life. If this video gave you even a little bit of clarity, Destroy the like button, subscribe for more insane ways to master your mind, and share this with one person you know whose brain has way too many tabs open. Thanks for watching.